Hi, I'm Jeremy. I'm an assistant principal at Walker Junior High. Recently completed the Alteryx training workshop sessions. Had a great experience. Was able to actually use the tool within 3 weeks of the workshops, which is surprised me because I have no data analytics or business background. But the tool is pretty intuitive once you get introduced to it. Was able to do some work for our school and a couple other schools in our district, sorting through some massive data files to help ease our technology distribution process. And overall, positive experience. I love the presenters. They were really positive, very informative, very helpful, and had a really great time. I encourage you to sign up. I think you'll find it to be well worth your time. Thanks.